Welcome back. Agent Zero is receiving a new set of updates. This time it's mostly fixes and improvements. The biggest change now goes to the Hacking Edition, which is now completely up to date with the main edition. Hacking Edition is our branch of Agent Zero dedicated to cybersecurity tasks. We made a video about it 2 months ago. It is Agent Zero based on Kali Linux instead of Debian with adjusted prompts and pre-installed software to better suit penetration testing and cybersecurity workflows. It can be installed just as easily as the regular version. Just search for the Docker image Agent Zero run with the tag hacking, pull and run the container. So now that the Hacking Edition is up to date, you can use all the new tools, like for example Vision, to let your agent analyze images, or the scheduler, where the agent can schedule periodic tasks to help you maintain the system or do information gathering. And now the latest updates. Both the Hacking Edition and the Standard Edition received these. The first one is the code execution tool. That is the tool the agent uses to communicate with the Linux terminal to execute Python code or Node.js code. And we have greatly improved the stability of this tool. We added checks for stalls and timeouts. We are detecting the terminator sequences of the terminal. So now it feels much more fast, and the agent gets much more relevant information when dealing with terminal that stalls for a while. For example, here there's a 20-second sleep. So when the terminal stalls at the sleep command, after 15 seconds, the framework returns the control to the agent from the terminal, adding a system message to explain to the agent that the control has been returned due to the 15 seconds of inactivity in the terminal. It informs the agent that the process is still running, and the agent can then make an informed decision whether it wants to kill the process or wait for more output. And it also returns the control to the agent much faster when a command is done. You can see that the agent starts generating another message immediately after the terminal returns output. And it's also much more stable during longer installation processes, like here. The terminal doesn't get interrupted for no reason. With this version, the Hacking Edition also received multitasking in terminal, so now the agent can pick a session number and it can run infinite processes like servers in one session and execute or manipulate files in another session. Next update is to the Agent Zero memory system. This system works automatically in the background, fetching memories relevant to the conversation. We have increased precision here by providing more conversational context to the database query. So now, even when you follow up your conversation with vague questions like this, it can fetch more context from the actual conversation to know better what you're talking about and get more relevant results. Next update is a bug fix in the web browser agent. We fixed the reset mechanism, so now when the agent hangs or is not able to open the web page, the Agent Zero superior agent to the browser agent can reset it and start over. Next is a dedicated tool for search engine. There's a built-in search engine inside Agent Zero for a while now. Previously, it was used as a part of the knowledge tool, but the knowledge tool is now being reworked to be more efficient. So this is a faster way for the agent to access web search results. Then a bug has been fixed in the behavioral adjustment tool. The agent can adjust its behavior based on your instructions. So if I tell the agent from now on, call me Jan, it will save it to its communication. And when I start a new chat and just greet the agent, it should know how to address me. The automatic chat renaming is now much faster. When I send a message, it is renamed almost instantly in the background based on the context of the conversation. Previously, it renamed the chat after the task was done, but that was not very practical for long-running tasks. Default AI models for new users have been updated to GPT 4.1 with vision enabled by default for better user experience. Utility model has been updated to GPT 4.1 Nano, which is very fast and cost-efficient model. And you still don't need to change anything about the embedding model. This is pre-built in Agent Zero. And finally, the GitHub repository has been updated with new links and installation instructions, including the installation video. Next big update coming very soon is MCP support in both ways, as a client as well as a server. So stay tuned for more updates. As always, thank you for your time. Don't forget to check our web, agent-zero.ai, where you can find more information about this open source project and links to our socials so you can join our community.